Are you interested in the 12-month docket of the Cineworld case? It is 2290168. Appearance should be made electronically. If you wish to address the court, please press 5 star on the telephone. Mr. Ross, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jason Murphy, U.S. Trustee's Office.
Thank you. 212-310-8647.
Joseph Felder, Wild Astro, on behalf of the official committee of unsecured creditors. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon, Mr. Felder. Ms. Foster.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Jared Foster of Kirkland Ellis, House of the Debtors.
Thank you. Ms. Foster, something? Today.
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, we're here today on the emergency motion we filed yesterday, seeking to move confirmation as well as 2 other deadlines back by about 2 weeks. Filed at docket 1724. Your Honor, in connection with new confirmation, we filed a motion. We reached out to the parties, including the UCC, U.S. trustee, as well as the lenders. Parties signed off on filing the motion, but I know Mr. Zoltan today held this up, so I would love to speak to the powers that be. Your Honor, I think I'm going to sit on my end if someone else is unmuted by any chance. Perfect. Your Honor, we reached out, as I said, to 3 main parties, U.S. trustee, UCC, as well as the ad hoc group. The parties were supportive of us filing the motion, but I will let Mr. Ruff and Mr. Silver speak for themselves.
So, the motion didn't go over any facts of whether or not we should grant it or we planned on a line that it said everybody was agreeing to do it. It didn't say what was going on. I think that motion probably should be made, just why we're doing what we're doing. So, why do we do it?
Very fair, Your Honor. So, primary reason that we're seeking to move the hearing back by 2 weeks is just to better align our timeline with that of NCM. I think the NCM relationship is probably the main remaining open point in the Chapter 11, and just didn't want to put pressure on Judge Jones. If we confirmed before NCM, we wanted those as close in time as possible to each other, so we could wrap both cases up at the same time. So we're working to finalize the agreement. I think we're close. We're hoping to finish that up over the next day or 2 and then file a motion seeking approval to enter into the new agreement.
And that was part of the confirmation.
I think we want to file the motion to enter into the agreement on an emergency basis. What we'll do is we'll probably seek 2 weeks from the date of filing a hearing in front of Your Honor. And NCM is planning to do the same in their bankruptcy case.
Okay. What do you hear from others that wish to speak? Mr. Silver?
Your Honor, the committee has no objection to this motion.
Mr. Ross?
Thank you, Your Honor. Good afternoon. Jason Murphy, U.S. Trustee's Office. Just want to confirm that we do not have any opposition to the release. We do think that it makes sense, given the related nature of the parties that they try to keep those aligned in their processes as much as possible. So, for those reasons, we do not have any opposition.
Thank you. If one thing I see the cameras on, but I don't think you testified, so I don't think you need to speak about it. You just have to see that sign, and the same will go through for Mr. Cineworld if you wish to speak. And you can find your phone line, you've got quite a few people on the phone. Mr. Owens, if I can see, did you intend to speak, would you just shake your head? No, okay. I'll wait, and then we'll just have them anyway, so let's see. 312-583-2403.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Brian Moon on behalf of the petition lenders. I just turned my camera on to answer any questions you may have. I didn't ask. It wasn't off there.
Thank you for talking on the spot. Just if you want to have your camera on, I just sorry that you look into like you might have something you want to say. Okay, I'm going to have to really without opposed. I will note that it doesn't actually skills more spread in the media events that are occurring for people to absorb it before the confirmation hearing. We're doing some of the strain, for example, having the voting deadline be, I think, within 40 hours before the actual confirmation hearing. It's actually like the schedule better. I just thought there needed to be a reason why it was done. There was all of that same as looking see if I can get it signed right now so we can deal with it. Has there been any change from the order that was submitted at 1724?
There wasn't, Your Honor.
Okay. If you wish to assign that for June 20th, again, did you go out from Mr. Ross?
No, Your Honor. I don't know.
How much time did you need on that day?
I don't think long. Probably about an hour. I think we'll probably suffice.
I was getting down at 9 a.m. Do you want to just keep 9 a.m.?
Yeah, I think that sounds perfect. Subject to anyone disagree.
All right, that's how we'll order the document opinions. What else do you need to cover in this number?
Nothing for today, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, I appreciate that. Oh, I'm sorry, we didn't call the one that you withdrawn. So do you want to state the official answer on that before we hang up?
Sorry, Your Honor. I didn't wait.
If you had a motion to assume the leasing foundation you're withdrawn, is that right?
Yes, Your Honor. So UK landlord retained U.S. bankruptcy counsel yesterday morning, and they reached out and let us know their client has no intention of violating the automatic stay or repossessing a property before the court is, your chamber is able to review the motion to assume on regular notice. So we withdrew the motion on the expedited basis because we didn't think we had a basis for emergency anymore, given the statements of the landlord's counsel.
Okay, so you were leaving the motion because what you're withdrawing is in the request for.
Exactly, Your Honor.
So,
Correct, Your Honor. So we're leaving the original motion to assume in place. I think the objection deadline on that motion hit on June 2nd.
okay, so Mr. Rollins, if you would just put that in that box right after the objection. Thank you. Anybody else? Your motions for the day? Thank you.
Excellent. Thanks, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.